This is Jennifer Markarian, Manufacturing Editor at Pharmaceutical Technology. I'm joined today by Keith Bader, Principal Consultant and Senior Director of Hyde Engineering and Consulting. Keith will be giving a presentation at the upcoming Interfex conference on establishing a design space, cleaning process development and validation. Keith, how is the development and validation of cleaning processes changing from how it was done in the past?
So the development and validation of cleaning processes in the past was often done just using information from the industry norm was and what the standard cleaning agents available were without any real regard for what the nature of the production soils were. And then the validation portion was often just accomplished by monitoring things like the temperature and concentration of cleaning agents as well as the duration of the wash, and wasn't really based off of any type of forward processing criteria that actually told you how far you were in the cleaning process or whether it was actually complete. So the industry's moving forward. We're actually starting to make use of things like process analytical technologies and then better understanding of the cleaning process design space for a specific residue that lets you basically make decisions about the cleaning process and how long to run it without basically having an overkill cycle.
Okay, that's interesting. So it sounds like those are some of the advantages of establishing a design space that you just mentioned. Are there any other advantages that establishing a design space for a cleaning process would give you?
I think one of the greatest advantages of establishing a design space is that once you understand how your process responds within that defined design space, you can make changes within that design space without having to file any process changes. The other thing is you have a better understanding of how your process will be impacted by changes of the process parameters while during operation. So you can make a decision as to whether it really is going to be a negative or a positive impact or no impact.
Okay. Thank you. So for this presentation that you're going to be giving at Interfex, what kinds of people who should be attending this presentation?
I think this is going to be a valuable presentation for people that are involved in validation of the cleaning processes, as well as engineering personnel that are going to be involved in the development of cleaning processes. And I think it also has some value for quality personnel that would be interested in understanding more about how these more advanced concepts in process validation can be applied to the cleaning process and what that really means to product quality and how that's going to impact moving forward in the industry.
Okay, very good. Keith, thank you so much for sharing with us. And thank you to the audience for your attention. If you'd like to hear more on this subject, be sure to attend Keith's presentation from 11:30 to 12:30 on Tuesday, April 23rd at